my name is Lori Lett, and I'm going to present to you a presentation on an emerging technology that I've researched for my educational technology class. My emerging technology is screen capture software, and it's actually what I'm using to present this PowerPoint to you. Screen capture software is software that allows you to record or capture an image on your computer screen to create a video file to share with others. A URL is created with your new video file that enables you to provide this to others so that they'll be able to see what you see on your screen. Sometimes it's referred to as a screenshot, screencast, or screen dump, and these terms are often used interchangeably. However, there is a slight difference in the meanings, but generally they all mean the same thing, and they're all recording or capturing shots on your computer. Many of us have seen this software before, but probably didn't know it. Screen capture is used for packaging video games, movies, and television shows. And also Dr. Schumack has used this software for demonstrating things on Blackboard, like our technology manual for live text. The software is either purchased or downloaded from the internet, and in most cases it's absolutely free. The software that I'm using is called Cam Studio. It's a free download from their website, and it only took me a couple of seconds to download, and it's really easy to use. Some other examples, some that's compatible with Windows, is the Adobe Captivate at $799, and it's probably one of the best out there. It is expensive, but it did say on their website that there's a discount for educators that makes it $249, so it would be somewhat affordable for teachers. Also, Camtasia Studio is $299. ScreenFlow, it's compatible with the Mac, it's $99. Some multi-platform uses are Jing, Screen Toaster, and Wink. They're all free. And these are just a few examples. There's many choices available, but these are just a few. There's also a built-in function that you may not know about. On the PCs, you can press the print screen button and it'll capture a shot of your entire desktop area. On the Mac, you can press Command-Shift-3 for a shot of the entire screen, or Command-Shift-4 for just a chosen area. And even on the iPhone, you can press and hold the home button and then press the sleep wait button to capture a shot. These are just pictures or just shots of what you see on your screen. They won't create videos, but it is useful for you to know this information. There's a demonstration video from Jing at jingproject.com. Jing is another type software. It's a free software, and on this website it helped me because it kind of showed me where the software maybe originated and how to use it and what it's used for. I wanted to show the demonstration, but I couldn't get my audio set up correctly with it, so I'm just going to navigate to it just to kind of show you how this software works, how you'll see exactly what I'm doing on my computer as I'm doing it. I'm going to go over to my internet and go over to AUM's webpage. So you can see every move that I'm making. I could show you my Blackboard account or email or anything on the internet I wanted to, any software that I have. I could also pull up my Microsoft Word and show you documents that I've created. I'm going to pull it up now and show you the handouts page for this presentation. And this will be useful for your students, maybe for homework or homework assignments, or showing documents to parents or other teachers or anything like that. You can verbally talk about the documents. And if you'll remember, this is exactly what Dr. Schumack used as she demonstrated step-by-step procedures to set up our technology manual. We could see what was on her computer also. So there's many uses for the software. You could demonstrate and teach the software programs and features if your company or your school got new software and needed to demonstrate and teach it to everyone. This would be a good thing to have. You could record recurring problems with your computer for technical support, so you could actually capture your computer bug in action and get help with that. You could record tricks that you discover on your favorite software or your website so that you yourself don't forget. You could collaborate on a project with someone. You could show someone else how to do something, such as you could show your dad how to use iTunes. You could share snapshots of a document, just as I did in Word when I showed you the handouts page for my presentation. And you could post video files on Facebook or YouTube, just as I'm doing now. Specific educational uses, the teacher could create video tutorials or instructional videos like podcasts and like what Dr. Shumack did on Blackboard. You could comment verbally on students' homework like we mentioned when we were looking at the Word document. You could create captions and narrate photos for a class presentation, and you could use the virtual reference library. There's just a number of different uses for this software, and I'm glad I got to present my PowerPoint in this way so that I could show you exactly how to use it. And I do feel that the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. The software is affordable, it's accessible, it's very easy to use, and like we mentioned, there's a number of uses for it. Probably a lot that I haven't even mentioned here that you could think of. The only disadvantages that I found are some technical issues, some resulting from the screen being too large, which may be a problem in this presentation. Also, the audio may not flow at the same rate as the video, and I had that problem when I was trying to download the demonstration video from Gene. Now, someone who's computer savvy could probably correct these issues easily. I'm not, so I wasn't sure how to do that, but those are just minor issues, I believe. These are my references and where I got my information. I do believe that screen capture software is probably something we will begin to see more often, especially in higher education and with internet and online courses. So I hope you're familiar enough with it now that you may be able to use it yourself, and that you learned something from this presentation, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for your time.